Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are here with Tech with Odin. So I'm going to teach you how to add Browse VPN from free VPN for Google Chrome. How to add this extension. So here you can see 5 million users of this VPN. They added extension online free. More than 8 million users already trusted them. You see here. So here is overview of this VPN. Browse VPN is a Chrome VPN extension that protects your IP from internet threats and let you browse privately for free. Access any site and unblock any content with Browse free VPN. Browse VPN extension is a guaranteed with the protect your Google Chrome browser and to get unrestricted access to any website on the internet. With Browse VPN extension you get a secure, you can see here, secure IP changer, free virtual locations, unlimited access to music, video and book and gaming. You see here this VPN is rated 4.5 out of 5, and here you can see 26, almost 27,000 people rated this with the satisfied review. So this is very good. You can click here and add extension. Here it's already added to the extension. We are going to go to click here and you can see here Browsec VPN. So save and then start VPN. This is how it's gonna work. Thank you and see you in the next video.